Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today dated 12th of November 2022, we are going to first of all analyze कि जो last week हमने trades दिए थे in this video which I made 6 days ago, उसमें how many trades resulted in our favor, कितने running trades हैं, कितने trade trigger नहीं हुए या कितने SL hit हुए, and then we will further try to find कि next week के लिए हमें क्या best probability setups मिल सकते हैं in बैंक निफ्टी and Nifty stocks. So let's go. I have already a list of these trades जहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि about 24 current setups are available. 24 में जब मैंने देखा तो I found that 3 SLs were hit and 2 रनिंग ट्रेड्स हैं, बाकी सेटअप बेसिकली करंटली इंटैक्ट है. तो एक बार गो थ्रू कर लेते हैं इन सब को. लेट्स एग्जांपल गो विद वन बाय वन. सो दिस इज पावर ग्रिड विच इज स्टिल इंटैक्ट. ये हमने लॉन्ग सेटअप फाउंड जो हमने बताया था 199 पे. सो दिस इज स्टिल वर्क, दिस विल स्टिल वर्क. ब्रिटानिया, ब्रिटानिया का सेटअप आई थिंक वी कैन अवॉइड. वाई आई विल टेल यू, बिकॉज जब मैंने सेटअप दिया था इट इज़ नियरली टेस्टेड दिस सपोर्ट एंड वेंट शॉर्ट अप. So what I would suggest to avoid, because this one is not valid now. Let's see what is happening in Asian Paint. So Asian Paint में we had a setup at 60 minutes. हाँ, so this is very far fetched, अभी बहुत दूर है. Probably will have to wait for too many weeks to get there, but yeah, this is what it is. Then we have Adani Port. Adani Port में the trade is triggered. This is a running trade at 908, so that means it's a short side trade जो हमने 908 पे लिया है. हमारा स्टॉप लॉस इसमें 934 रुपये का, 935 का स्टॉप लॉस है रफली. ठीक है, एंड ऑब्वियसली एटलीस्ट 1:2 विल बी लुकिंग. सो लेट्स वेट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में प्रॉब्ली विल फाइंड आउट की व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन आवर अदानी पोर्ट का ट्रेड. Now let's go to another script which is Havells India. Havells India का ट्रेड अभी ट्रिगर नहीं हुआ 1322 पे. दिस स्टिल इंटैक्ट. HDFC बैंक, हाँ, so HDFC बैंक has a very nice setup. If HDFC comes to this 1552, we will definitely going to trade this one. No, sorry, so this was an last week का. The current setup is this one, HDFC बैंक 1552 पे ट्रिगर एंड 1534 का SL. Now जब ये ट्रेड ट्रिगर हो, you should also look at what is बैंक निफ्टी doing in that scenario, right? Because बैंक निफ्टी का क्या है कि it has breached the resistance जो last 41,800 के अराउंड था. Now it is taking a support. If it see, it is taking a support and trying to go up. So Bank Nifty is on a very positive trend. Let me just see if we have something on RSI. Just give me a moment. Yeah, so RSI is also going to basically go up this setup. Sorry, I'll have to change that to a 60 and a 40. Yeah, so this is a very nice setup. Let's see what is it is doing it. Okay, so at daily time frame also it is going above in a basically very high trending zone, taking a support on 60, so which is also a good area. So just see what is happening in bank nifty, because bank nifty is people's favorite. I should better talk about that also in my videos. So yeah, that is what it is. But bank nifty as currently I don't find a very good support or resistance nearby. I mean, there is a support I've given at 13500, which is too far from here as of now. So yeah, I mean, we'll have to wait for that. Besides that, SBI setup is also intact, and there is no further anything on this. UPL setup is also intact. We can wait if it comes down to here. NTPC, okay, so NTPC, I believe last week I had given two setups. One, obviously this one, this hit our stop loss, and then it hit the another trade which is currently in a running position. If you'll see the other one, this is in running. So next week we'll see what is happening. So currently one SL, which is this one, just made negative 575 ka we found a loss. And then we have HDFC development. Okay, so HDFC is also intact. We can wait for it to come down to 2547. But the above one, this one is a long side trade, but a short term, maybe not more than a week. There is one more setup for a slightly longer duration, maybe for a month or two. If it comes down to this area 2524, right, and we can consider taking it for a longer duration, as I said 1 or 2 months, with a SL of 2468. So HDFC का मैंने यहाँ पर भी एक new setup I have, this one new setup I found. Then we have an IndusInd Bank. Okay, what is happening in IndusInd Bank? IndusInd Bank is also very far in terms of resistance and long, so I will have to wait for that. Then we have Hindalco, which hit our SL. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so Hindalco we had a trade, but it hit our SL essentially. So I told last week कि हम 419 पे buy करेंगे, and we had a stop loss here. Unfortunately, it hit our stop loss and then it kind of went up. So I mean, no concerns. I mean, if it is hitting our stop loss, then we can't do anything, but we have to control our losses somewhere. So Hindalco is also currently running. The setup is quite far right now. Bank Nifty we discussed, too far. They have the trade. Then we have Bajaj Finserv, which is still just one second guys. So this was on 5th of November. Okay, so Bajaj Finserv also hit our SL. If you'll see, we had a 1100 rupees loss in this case. So yeah, this is it. Then we have ZFC M&M. Okay, what is that we have in M&M? So M&M में हमारे पास 30 minutes time frame पे we have found a trade here. हाँ, यहाँ पे 1331 पे with a stop loss of 1345. So if it comes to here, we can think of sorting it for at least 1:2 target. Divis Lab में we have two setups. what's that? So one is here at 3669 for a short side, and this will hit sooner than this one. The second one is 60 minutes pay, 3406 pay if it comes here. No, sorry, I think I missed 3669, 15 minutes. So this one was 3669 on 15 minutes. This one is at 60 minutes, which was at 3406. So this one is more stronger. So maybe I can color code this with little more intensity. Okay, and then we have I think all of these we have covered. So essentially what we are saying, we have three SLs. One is NTPC, one is Hindalco, one is Bajaj Finserv. We don't have a target hit because our other trades are currently in running position. So we have Adani Ports as running, we have NTPC as a running setup. So this is set. Besides this, I want to highlight one thing, that I have two trades, which is HDFC and IndusInd Bank. I kind of discussed it. I want to basically highlight it again. So ये जो setup मैंने दिया है, long side setup, this we can consider for at least more than at least 3-4 weeks. And then I have something on IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank maybe 932 is something I'm saying. If it comes down to this level, we can definitely think of buying. So yeah, this is the conclusion for next week, which is starting from 14th till 18th. Let's see how many targets are hit in SL in our next video. And I also want to basically understand from you who are watching this video till yet. Let me know your favorite setup out of all of these that you found. Let me know if you have traded any of these setup, and let me know if your SL was also hit like I had. So I can basically see how many people are actually trying to understand and test it, and accordingly we can plan to improvise. Yeah, till then, please subscribe the channel. Try to spread this channel to the aspirational traders. Thank you.